Alright, so I have another pair that came in today with the Nike Bayou Custom and another dunk. So let me show you what are these custom. Are you excited? Me too. Let's do this. Alright. Let's see what we got on this first one. Okay. And this one is size 9.5. Let's see the other two. Ooh, I remember this one. This one is two pair. So okay, size 9.5 and this one, and then another one. This one is size 9. Let's see, and this first one. Okay, boom. Okay, there we go. These are the Nike Dunk Bayou 375, if I'm not mistaken. This pair is size 9.5, and the colorway on this one is mostly green, yellow with midsole of white and outsole of black. Inspired the colorway of a Brazil colorway. So that was the inspiration on this one. So when the drop restock on this Nike Bayou or Nike ID, I just have to select the inspiration and then check out. I don't have to do the customization because I knew if I had to do that, I'm gonna lose more time and I won't be able check out as many as I could. So that's what I did. This one is size 9, so I pick up size 9 and 9.5, and this colorway I wish I could buy more. I get more on this particular colorway because as you can see, that is crazy. Wow, there we go. So what do you think, which pair is much better today's and my Nike Bayou, the Brazil colorway, or the I forgot to mention the inspiration on this one is the 7-Eleven inspiration, comes with the red, green and the orange. So that's what it comes on this one. If I could did more transactions supposed to this one, because I think the resale value might be more higher on this particular colorway rather than this one. So what do you think on this Nike Bayou ID? Which one is better, the Brazil or the 7-Eleven? So that's it for today. I hope you like this unboxing of the Nike Bayou ID. If you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, mag-ingat kayo. Bye bye.